Welcome to our video where we tackle a common problem encountered in C++ programming. The problem at hand revolves around using a dependent name from a base class in a derived class template. Specifically, we explore a scenario where a using declaration is employed to avoid repetitive prefixing of a dependent name. However, this approach seems to work fine in MSVC compiler, but not in Clang, which raises an error. Quite an interesting issue to delve into, isn't it? In finding a solution to our problem, we discovered that the program falls under the category of IFNDR, meaning it is ill-formed with no diagnostic required. The reason behind this lies in the fact that the program never instantiates any specialization, leading to ill-formedness upon instantiation of a specialization of B. This occurs because the nested name specifier in a using declaration within a class scope must name a base of the current class, which is not the case in our setup. A fascinating insight into the nuances of C++ template instantiation, wouldn't you say? In summary, we've navigated through a perplexing situation involving dependent names and C++ templates, leading us to the concept of IFNDR and the intricacies of utilizing using declarations in class scopes. Understanding these subtleties can help us write more robust and error-free code. We hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!